All right, I took care of the front yard, the driveway. Now I'm getting ready to go handle the, well actually I'm finna go back to the truck and put some more gas in the blower. I'm not trying to be caught up in the middle of a blowing. That don't sound right. Not trying to be blowing leaves and then run out of gas, man. So go ahead and make that opportunity to go ahead and go back to the truck, put some more in the gas tank. So that way you can confidently complete the job. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around so you can see what I did with the front and give you a good look at the house. And I still got some leaves. I'm probably just gonna ride over these. Probably just ride over here to the left once I pan to them. I'm just gonna ride over those. I'm not gonna blow all that. I'm just gonna ride over it. And then, yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. And this is what, November 15th here in